Every day, you use your phone to write some words in your phone as text and post on social media just for communication and for fun. Now imagine you are paid to type such words. Imagine you get paid $200 and up to $1,000 writing texts online. That will be fun, right? Yes, I know you will love to earn money, and earn such money easily from the comfort of your home. Now, what if I told you that there is a system that will let you do just that? Yes, just write and earn money. In the system I will be showing you in this video, you will get to see hundreds to thousands of opportunities for you to write and earn money from your writing. You don't need any special skill to succeed in this system. What you need is just your willingness to put down words together that will make meaning according to the topic required, and you will earn money. You will earn PayPal money directly to your account. How cool is that? Before I get to show you this wonderful system, I welcome you to this channel, where you will learn how to make money legit and easily. Please subscribe to this channel, and turn on the notification bell for more money-making videos from this channel. The first thing you will need to do is to visit the Get Paid to Write section of this website, Money Pantry. You will need to use the URL moneypantry.com/getpaidtowrite directly to be taken to the right page. If you don't, you may be redirected to a wrong page. You will need to follow all the steps I will be showing you in this video, so as not to miss out on this opportunity for making money on this platform. Yes, this is the website that will let you earn money from your writings online. This website will link you to more than 101 sites that will pay you from $50 to $3,000 per blog post. Now, you may be feeling like, blog post again? I don't have any skill how to write a blog post. Well, please keep watching this video to the end, because you don't need any special skill to write and earn money online. All you will need is your laptop or mobile phone, and your ability to search for such articles online, spin, and it will become a fresh write-up. You can submit and earn money from this platform. This system is good for everyone, and if you are looking for a side hustle that you can do from the comfort of your home, then this model is good for you. It is a recommended model for making money for stay-at-home moms, students, for the unemployed, or even the employed that want to earn extra money writing. Getting paid to write articles from home, especially getting paid to write about what you love, is a dream job for a lot of people. And who wouldn't like to get paid to blog about anything? This freelance writing is actually one of the easiest ways to make money online. The good thing about this model is that it doesn't need any investment. You don't need any startup fee to get started on this platform. The system pays fast. In fact, you will get to be writing articles for blogs and online magazines that will pay for your stories and blog articles instantly. In this system, there is no shortage of freelance writing gigs. So brace up to make lots of money writing from one website to another. Remember, this platform is a collection of online magazines and blogs that will pay you from $50 to $500 and up to as high as $3,000 per article. And yes, you heard me right. You can earn $3,000 from writing articles on this website. It all depends on your effort and the speed and quality of your writing. If you are getting value from this video, please give us a thumbs up to encourage us produce more videos, and don't forget to subscribe to this channel if you are yet to do so. Now, back to the video. I know as a person, I can write a standard blog post of 2,000 words in 2 hours. This means I can earn up to $2,000 writing 4 articles at $500 per article every day from this platform. You can do that too, right? On this website, you have the opportunity to earn lots of money if you put dedication to your writing. See, these are all the website links that will pay you good amount of money to write articles. You will earn lots of money writing for various websites that are listed on this platform. All you will need to do now is to scroll through to the topic that interests you and select the website you want from the category, and you will be taken to the page where you see the conditions you need to meet to write and submit your article for approval and earning money. There are different types of topics on this platform that you can select from. And don't you worry if you don't know how to write. As I said earlier, there is a way out for you if you don't know how to write an article post. All you will need to do is to search the internet for articles on the topic you want to write. Then you will just copy the article and paste in spinbot.com or any other good text rewriting or paraphrasing tool. It will spin it and turn it to a new article for you to submit, and earn money from your work, without any copyright issue. For example here, if you come to this collections of sites here, they will pay you for writing about general interest. You can click on this one here, and you will be taken to this page. This is where you will read about all you need to do to be accepted on their platform, and be able to submit your article on this website. You will get to know the website, the submission, the manuscript. Now, in order to get started, you will need to come here, and click on Contact the Editor here, for submission, writing queries and suggestions. As you submit your article you will make money. Ciao!